Clayton here, Weld Department Manager at Cleveland Tank & Supply. Today we're taking a look at the QCC Flowmeter. This is a variable area meter, also known as a float meter. It has a float inside of a tapered tube that rises as gas flows through the meter, and where it finally rests indicates the volumetric flow going through the meter. That's indicated in cubic feet per hour. An important distinction to make is this is not a regulator. It is a flow meter. It's designed to be used in tandem with a regulator at 50 psi, and this gives you the volumetric flow to your machine. Benefit of the QCC flow meter is this turnstile shell, which allows you to switch between what gas you want to calibrate the flow meter to. Saves you a lot of time, as well as negates the need to have multiple meters for multiple applications. The flow meter is made out of a heavy-duty brass body and an 1/8 inch plastic tube. Everything is nice, color-coded, clear. It's a very simple design, very rugged design, and can be used in all kinds of applications. It's a very simple design. I think it works very well, and it's rugged for shop use. It also has a tolerance of plus or minus 4% at full scale. For what it is, 4% is a tighter tolerance than the Navy calls for at 5%. So we know that we're getting the pressure and flow that we need at our welds. These are very set and forget for our applications. A lot of these guys aren't switching materials a whole lot, so they don't actually touch them on the day-to-day usage, which is nice on our end because we calibrate them, and that's what we run them at. Maintenance every year or so, it's good to take them apart, clean them out, put them back together, make sure all your Teflon tape is good. But past that, it's very simple. For most of our applications, we run 25 cubic feet an hour. Some of our stainless will bump that up to 30, 35. But other than that, they're very set and forget.